Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture. In this module, we will discuss long answer type question of respiration. Describe the process of respiration in human beings. In humans, there are different organs involved in the process of respiration called respiratory organs. First of all, nose. While breathing, the oxygen enters through the nostrils. The nostrils have hair that filter the air and trap any dust particle or foreign particle before letting air inside the body. The mucus, the sticky substance, moistures the air and circulating blood warms up the air. This allows the air then to pass through the nasal cavity. Trachea. The air from the nose passes through pharynx and to the trachea. It acts like a sieve to filter the fresh air. Trachea is guarded by an opening called glottis, which has a covering called epiglottis. Lungs. There are usually two lungs in humans and animals. The two bronchi get connected to these two lungs. The air passed through trachea reaches the lungs. There are many compartments in the lungs known as alveoli. Alveoli. They are surrounded by a number of tiny blood vessels known as pulmonary capillaries. Alveoli, these are the areas where the exchange of gases takes place. Oxygen enters in the blood and carbon dioxide is given into the lungs for purification. Next question is describe the process of respiration system in animals. Respiration system is different in different animals. Some respire through lungs, some use gills, some use skin. Respiration through skin. Some organisms such as amoeba, paramecium, euglena breathe through their skin. The exchange of gases takes place from their outer wall or membrane or skin, you can say. Frog, earthworm and leech, they breathe through their skin. These animals have moist air which help them in breathing. Respiration through gills. Fishes and other aquatic animals respire through gills. Gills are covered by an opening called operculum. Operculum lets the water into the pass through the gills. The gills absorb oxygen from the dissolved water. Respiration through lungs. Animals such as frog breathe through lungs. Birds and mammals also breathe through lungs. Respiration through air holes. Insects such as cockroaches, grasshopper, they breathe through their air holes. Now, how do plants respire? State the role of various plant parts in this process. Plant exchange gases to gain energy for growth. Exchange of gases takes place through their body parts such as leaves, stem and roots. Exchange of gases in leaves takes place through stomata. Stomata are guarded by two cells known as guard cells. When guard cells shrink, carbon dioxide gas enters into it, and when guard cells expand, oxygen gas comes out. The exchange of gases takes place through the process of diffusion. Now next question is how does the exchange of gases takes place in the plants? Same we have discussed. Now with the help of an experiment, show that air we breathe out contains carbon dioxide. Take lime water in a test tube. Blow air with the help of straw. Lime water turns milky. This means that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide because lime water turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Now next is differentiate between external and internal respiration. External respiration means exchange of gases. That is, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. It takes place outside the cells. And respiration means breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, water and energy, and it takes place inside the cells. Now, differentiate between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, it takes place in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the absence of oxygen. In aerobic respiration, more energy is released, and in anaerobic respiration, less energy is released. Here, in aerobic respiration, water is formed, and in anaerobic respiration, water is not formed. And in aerobic respiration, carbon dioxide gas is formed, and in anaerobic respiration, alcohol is formed in yeast, and lactic acid is formed in human beings during anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, complete breakdown of glucose takes place, and in anaerobic respiration, incomplete breakdown of glucose takes place. It means the glucose is not completely oxidized. Aerobic respiration, it takes place in the mitochondria of the cells, and in anaerobic respiration, it takes place in cytoplasm of the cell. Now next question is, how does respiration differ from a whale in a whale and a human being? Human beings breathe through their nostrils and air reaches the lungs. The whales have blow air holes to breathe in. Are breathing and respiration same or different processes? Breathing and respiration both are different processes. Breathing is simply exchange of gases. That is, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out. Actually, it is a part of respiration. And respiration is the breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, water and energy. It takes place outside the cells and respiration takes place inside the cells. Thank you.